here with the Food Hussy today, and we are talking all things food here in this new year. I know one resolution that a lot of people have is to eat healthier, right? Or to maybe pack their meals instead of eating out during the week. So Heather is here to help with tons of ideas, and let's talk all about it. Good to have you.
Yeah, I'm excited to be here. Always love hanging with my Michaela.
Same. Us Iowa girls got to stick together for sure.
Yes.
What are some ways that people can diversify their food as we're going into this new year? Because that's also something that people are very interested in.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is when you're working and you're so busy, it's like you just sometimes lose sight of being able to like bring your own lunches or things like that to work. And also like with the new year, it's like, oh, you're so tired of everything you did, you know. So it's like you want to maybe incorporate some new ideas for meals and things like that. So I do a lot of copycat recipes. So if you're out and you try a dish and you like it, you can always come home and try to make it yourself.
True.
And so what I do for lunches a lot of times is I love these wrap sandwiches that are out at a lot of restaurants. And so I decided just to make them at home, and that way I can meal prep ahead, make them on Sunday, and I've got lunch every day in the week. And you can also tailor it to what you like. So like we're gonna make a jalapeno popper wrap today.
Oh, that sounds so good.
I know.
So
and
excited.
It calls for like the one at the restaurant that I used to get, they have fat-free ranch. Well, I don't really like fat-free ranch. But you're not using that much ranch, so it's okay to use regular ranch. Or it has onions. If you don't like onions, leave them off. Or if you want to make it and mix it up, you can use different kinds of cream cheese or different toppings in there so that it's not the same thing every single day. All right, so we are gonna make these jalapeno popper wraps, and I have, I've gone mostly healthy here. I have these low carb tortillas that I like, and so what we're gonna do first is we start with our tortilla, and I've got low fat cream cheese, and so we're just gonna spread. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons, but you can really spread how much you like on the tortilla. So you just kind of spread it over across the whole thing. This will serve, as you see, it likes to stick to each other. So this kind of serves as the glue when you roll this up into a wrap. So we just want kind of a thin layer, and then we're gonna take chicken. Now you can use pulled chicken, like rotisserie chicken. You can use grilled chicken. I bought a big bag of cooked chicken, and then I heated it up just a little bit so it's not cold. And then what we're gonna do is gonna add some toppings. So we've got some onion slices. We're just gonna sprinkle a little on there. We've got thinly sliced tomatoes, and then we've got some of the pickled jalapenos that are in the jar. And lastly, we're gonna take some ranch. Now at the restaurant that I used to get this at, they used fat-free ranch, but I'm using full regular old ranch. So then we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna wrap this guy up. Just like this, and then I'm gonna make another one, and once we wrap these up, see that cream cheese on there kind of holds it together. Then we're gonna pop these. You can pop them in the microwave, or you can pop them in the air fryer for just 3 minutes, and they'll get just a little toasty and a little bit warm. There's no cheese to melt, so we just wanna heat everything up a little bit. So now we're gonna cook them. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna just lay these in the air fryer. You can lay them seam side down. And then we're gonna pop them in for just 3 minutes. Okay, we're gonna grab these guys out of the air fryer. They were just in there for 3 minutes at 360 degrees. I'm just gonna cut one in half so you can kind of see inside. We're gonna try. Cheers.
Wow, that is so good.
I know it, right? It's so easy.
It was so simple. Oh, I'm adding this one to my
See, and you can
meals.
make this. I know you don't cook a lot, Michaela, but you can make this.
I'm capable of this one.
You are. So you can find me at thefoodhussy.com. I'm everywhere on social at Food Hussy, and you can also pick up my cookbook because this recipe today can be made in the air fryer. And so I have an air fryer cooking for 1 cookbook. It's also good if you're cooking for 2, you just double things, but it's available on Amazon as well.